What's up, y'all? September 21st, about a cool, I don't know, 98, 99 degrees. This will be my 14th day in a row hunting. I'm kind of getting frustrated. I've let a couple decent ones walk and saw a couple real nice ones and couldn't get a shot. So, you know, I got off work and I said, today I'm gonna see if I can shoot me a doe. So I ran home, grabbed me a shower, and I'm here at this spot. It's my first year on this place, and as far as I can tell, it's overrun with does. I mean, we'll have 5, 6 in a picture at any given spot at any given time, and you know, so I figured I'm gonna come out here and shoot every doe I see till I run out of arrows or it gets dark. So we'll see what happens. This blind is an oven. There's one doe in here that's always staring at the blind in the trail cam pictures. She just looks like the type that would blow and mess up a hunt. So hopefully I can get her in here. That's like my #1 target. So we'll see. I'm pretty sure I just nailed my first deer of the season. She was trying to run off another deer, and these 3 does all walked out together. She kept running over and stomping at that other one. She just ran over and stomped at it, turned broadside, came walking back, and I let her rip. I think I hit her probably right in the heart, but we'll see. Oh man, dude, I'm shaking just like a dang big buck came out. I was so ready to kill something. And knock me another arrow. I'm gonna sit here and see if I can get me another one. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Man, it just never gets old. I think that's like number 17 with my bow or something, 16 or 17. So. I didn't make it quite till dark. I've got a birthday party I was supposed to be at 3 minutes ago, so ran back to my truck, grabbed a light, sat until almost dark, but I'm gonna go out here and see if I can figure out how far these back straps went. I think I nailed her, but she kind of jumped weird. I hadn't seen one jump like that before. And I think I'm gonna go to where I saw them exit the field and see what I see. Okay, here's my arrow. Buried in the dirt. That's usually a good sign. Covered in blood. Okay, here we got some blood. It just didn't open up in the field too good. So, I'm gonna follow it. A little bit more blood right there. Okay, she's starting to open up a little bit. Blood, blood. It's amazing how quick the ants find it. What's up, dude? I probably ain't gonna make it. Tracking a deer. Yeah, though. Yeah, she ain't bleeding a whole lot, but I ain't been far. You know, sometimes they take a minute to open up. But yeah, it looked like a heart shot. What? Itching. Just itching to kill one. Okay, this is right at the last blood I found. You can see how it kind of splattered like that direction. Like maybe she was going that way. Got blood right here. If she crashed through that crap, that ain't looking good for her. Okay, it looks like it finally opened up. I've done been probably 100 yards. Let's see if we can follow it. Blood. Blood, blood. Blood. I don't know why it took so long to open up. Blood. 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 This has been a real unusual blood trail. The first 100 yards or so was like specks, and then it opened up, I mean, just like a blind man could follow it, and went like that for about 40-50 yards, and now about the last 40-50 yards has been specks again, or globs every so often. So I don't know what the heck. I'm gonna keep on following it. All right, so basically what happened was the deer went in a circle, and my GPS was about to die, so I couldn't figure out where the circle began and ended, and I was thinking, you know, even if I find this deer, I'm never gonna get out of here if my GPS dies. So I go to walk back to the truck to get batteries, and it dies right then when I'm trying to walk back to the truck, it was 125 yards in a straight line to where my truck. And so I walk what I think is a straight line forever and ever and ever, and finally end up on a different road about a mile away. It takes me like 30 minutes to walk back to my truck. It starts raining, and I'm thinking my camera's probably tore up, the blood trail's probably washed away, so I call my buddy with the dog. We're trying. What?
I don't drag.
What do you mean you don't drag?
I don't drag deer.
Oh, did she find him? I told you that deer couldn't have went too far.
That's a nice buck. I mean, doe.
Dog's eating him.
Yeah, I'll get him off. Get my other leash.
You find him, Andy? Did you find her? Man,
that's a nice doe.
I knew I had to be close to it. I just got lost and pissed off and rained on. They come out through the guts. That's why I clogged the hole.